Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of removing your subscription from AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Start by locating your account name in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is typically where your profile information is displayed. After clicking on your account name, a menu will appear. Look for the option labeled My Account and click on it. This will take you to your account settings. In your account settings, find and click on the billing option. This section will provide you with details about your current subscription plan and payment information. Here, you will see the plan you have selected, along with any relevant billing details. This section gives you a clear overview of your subscription status. Scroll down to the bottom of the billing section. You should see an option to cancel your plan or subscription. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation. After clicking the cancel option, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Follow any prompts to finalize the cancellation. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, your subscription will be successfully canceled. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.